Hey guys, Fred Tech Up here, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A04s, a modest mid-range device from Samsung, a device that is geared towards those that want basic features in a smartphone without spending too much. The A04s is an entry-level device that offers more for a lot less, and in this video I'll be reviewing it and share my honest opinion with you guys. Before we continue with the review, let me walk you through the unboxing experience. When you open the box, you're greeted with an envelope that carries the quick start guide. Next is a device wrapped in plastic that carries basic highlights of the smartphone. Moving on, we've got a USB Type-C charging cable, a 15-watt charger, and a SIM ejector tool, and that's pretty much it. For the design and build quality, I would say the A04s have a well-crafted design for an entry-level smartphone. I like that it is very handy and comfortable to hold. From a design standpoint, it offers a decent build quality. The back and frame of the device are made from plastic. I like that it is not too big to hold for a 6.5 inches device. It has a compact and solid feel to it. The power button and volume controls are located at the right side of the device, and the power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner. Speaking of the fingerprint scanner, it is decent and accurate. However, it is not as fast as I might like it to be. On the left side of the device, we've got a SIM tray that can take dual nano SIM cards as well as a micro SD card. As you can see, the bottom of the device has a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker grill, leaving the top of the device with another microphone. Turning to the rear of the A04s, we have a quad camera setup that comprises of a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 5 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, and a 2 megapixels macro lens. For the display, the Samsung Galaxy A04s has a 6.5 inches TFT HD Plus display with a teardrop notch. It has a resolution of 720 by 1600 and a pixel sensitivity of 270. The brightness level is capped at 400 nits, which is low in today's standard. However, it is forgiven since it is an entry-level device. The display is sharp, bright, and delightful for consuming media content such as watching TikTok videos, YouTube videos, and general media consumption. It has a 90Hz high refresh rate, which makes scrolling and navigating through the user interface feel fast and smooth. At this price point, I think the display is okay. Now let's talk about performance. The Samsung Galaxy A04s comes with Exynos 850 chipset, which is an 80nm processor paired with 4 GB of RAM that can be expanded to 8 GB through virtual memory. The Exynos 850 CPU is an efficient processor. It promises to deliver better performance than last year's model while consuming less energy. Performance is generally fine for what it is, and you shouldn't be expecting too much from it. When it comes to real-life performance, it is fast and responsive. Playing games, launching apps, and general multitasking perform very well, but it doesn't mean it is entirely smooth. As you can see from the synthetic benchmark scores here, it is more than capable for most basic tasks like web browsing, some light gaming, and it can also handle multitasking efficiently thanks to the extra memory. Playing heavy games titled like PUBG and other CPU demanding games will definitely have a hit on performance. So I will advise you to stick to 2D games only for most optimal performance. The A04s comes with Android 12 out of the box with One UI 4.1. One UI has grown with a high level of consistency with a rock-solid stability packed with features and optimization. It is very clean and with minimal bloatware and ads. The camera on the Samsung Galaxy A04s has seen major improvement coming from its predecessor. The 50 megapixels main camera is decent, and its images come with some high level of details, especially when taken in a well-lit environment or a bright sunny day. I like how it handles dynamic range and colors in particular for a device in this price bracket. One thing I like about Samsung devices is the consistency with its image processing. Portrait images look good, and it's exactly what you would expect from an entry-level device. The 5 megapixel selfie camera took decent images and the quality is acceptable. I like the colors, the saturation level, and the overall details coming out of it, especially on how it handles exposure. However, dynamic range suffers a little bit. Hey guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy A04s. I'm currently shooting in 1080p, 30 frames per second. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Kindly let me know down in the comment section below. So this is a rare footage from the Samsung Galaxy A04s, shooting in 1080p, 30 frames per second. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I feel like the quality is okay, it's not that bad, at least for an entry-level device. But what are your thoughts about this? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about battery life. The Samsung Galaxy A04s comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and it is rock solid thanks to Samsung's efficient optimization. It can comfortably last the entire day on a single charge, which should be more than enough for anyone that considers a device in this price bracket. Now, when it's time to juice it up, the 15-watt charger took only 2 hours and 10 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. So when it comes to battery, it is something you shouldn't worry about. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A04s offers impressive specs and performance that appears like a worthy upgrade to its predecessor. I like how it looks, I like the subtle performance and the promised 2 years update from Samsung. You get a clean One UI with no intrusive ads. At 96,000 Naira, I think it will be a little too expensive for most people. However, I still think it is well worth it. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy A04s in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye-bye.